I was talking to a DJ just the other day who also does photo booths and photography. And they're talking about how they don't really have the kind of clients they want. So they're going to start waiting. They're going to start waiting until they find clients that put a higher priority on the entertainment than most people do. I'm looking for people to put a high priority on entertainment. Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License. Thanks for being a part of the show. Thanks for being nice to my sponsors, like DJ and TV, my workshop, the Entertainment Experience, like Electro Voice, the greatest speaker company in the world. Anyway, what do I think of that statement? Well, I think it's a good idea to want to work with people who value what you do, who put a high priority on the entertainment you're going to bring. But let me have you think about this for a second. I believe that everybody puts a high priority on entertainment. Every single solitary client that you sit in front of, every single person who calls about what you do, they put a high priority on entertainment. They're just often not given the chance to really prioritize it, to really understand how they can get really great entertainment. They want to have great entertainment. They're putting a high priority on it. I promise you they are. It's just that for some reason, you're not communicating that you are the thing that can make it happen for them, right? I mean, the reason that you think they're not putting a high priority on it is because they don't think that we can actually do something special for them. I mean, you get that, right? They've seen a bunch of DJs. And oftentimes it's those kids that we make fun of, or those uncles who have a laptop and a bunch of music and sits at a table and plays tunes off their Spotify account. And as much as we don't like that, that is exactly what people see for DJs. That's what they think is out there. So yeah, they put a high priority on entertainment. They do. They just don't think it's available to them. So if you're waiting to find that person who puts a high priority on that, well, I guess you're going to wait a long time. They all do. They just don't know that you do. So I say meet with everybody. Meet with every single client that calls you. Talk to everybody, regardless of whether or not you think they have a lot of money or a little bit of money or doing a big event or have a high priority on what they think entertainment is. They don't know. They don't even know what that means when you say it. So meet with them all. Get to know them really well. Show them what it is available to them if, in fact, they put a high priority on entertainment. And then offer it to them. Because that's all that's happening. They just don't believe that you exist. So quit waiting. Start talking to everybody. And you'd be surprised how many people are going to be like, yeah, absolutely, I put a high priority if you can do that. There you go. What do you think of that? I'd like to know your comments below, or text me or email me or tell me I'm full of it. I'm okay. Maybe the next show that I put out should be called Tell Me I'm Full of It. Lately, it sounds like that's coming out of my mouth all the time. Oh, thanks again for being a part of Creative License, and I'll see you next time.